Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change Facebook page comment settings. So if you want to turn off or disable comments for your specific Facebook page post, here's how to do it. Open Facebook and switch to your Facebook page. Tap on your page profile photo and tap on the settings icon. Tap on page settings. Tap on public post. And here we can see public post comments. From here, we won't be able to customize or change comment settings. So all you have to need, just go to your page profile and search for a post where you want to disable comments. Now tap on this three dot, tap on who can comment on your post. And now here you can change these page post comment settings. You can select public, then anyone will be able to post a comment to the post. You can select established followers, then people who have followed your page for more than 24 hours will be able to post to the comment to the post. And you can select profiles and pages you follow, then only profiles and pages you follow will be able to comment on the post. And you can select profiles and pages you mention, then only profiles and pages you mention will be able to comment to the post. And if you want to turn off comment for any post, you can select this last option. So this is how we can customize Facebook page comment settings. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.